See, 9th class, the polynomials and factorizations, the continuation of the last class. Therefore, see, 5. What is 5? See, this is therefore f of x is equal to x square. What is the 0 of the polynomial of this? Therefore, see, x is equal to 0. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to 0 square, that means 0. Here means 0 is the 0 polynomial of the. Next, therefore, f of x is equal to px. F of x is equal to px, p not equal to 0. Now, therefore, x is equal to 0. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to p into 0. That means c 0, that means 0. This is like that. Go to 7. F of x is equal to px plus q. See, f of x is equal to px plus q. Then what is find? Therefore, the polynomial is equal to 0. Therefore, px plus q is equal to 0. Then therefore, px is equal to minus q. Therefore, x is equal to minus q by p. Now see, therefore the x value substituting above the polynomial. What is see now? Therefore, f of minus q divided by p is equal to p into minus q divided by p plus q. P get cancelled. What is the remaining? Minus q plus q. That means 0. Now minus q by p. Minus q by p is the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, px plus q. This is. Go to 5. What is 5? See. See 5. If 2 is 0 of the polynomial. If 2 is 0 of the polynomial, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. Find the value of a. Now see, first of all, the polynomial equal to 0. Therefore, let us take therefore 2x square minus 3x plus 7a is equal to 0. 7a is equal to 0. Now put, therefore x is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 2. Here therefore 2 replace of x replace of 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. Therefore 2 into 2 square means 4 minus 2 3s are 6 plus 7a is equal to 0. Now see, add the constants. Therefore 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 6 plus 7a is equal to 0. Therefore 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. Therefore 7a is equal to minus 2. 7a is equal to minus 2. Therefore minus 2. Therefore a is equal to minus 2 by 7. What is the a value? Find the a value. You want what? This is find the a value. Now see, therefore a is equal to minus 2 by 7. A is equal to minus 2 by 7. A is equal to minus 2 by 7. Go to 6. See 6. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. Now therefore f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Find the values of a and b. Now see, let us take, therefore the polynomial is equal to 0. Therefore let us take, therefore 2x cubed minus 3x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. Then now therefore put x is equal to 0. Now see, the x replace of 0. Therefore 2 into 0 cubed minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b is equal to 0. Now see, the multiplication of with 0, the result is always go to 0. Therefore 0 minus 0 plus 0, a into 0 plus b is equal to 0. All of 0. Therefore b is equal to 0. See, at the same time put therefore x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Now the equation is therefore 2 into 1 cubed minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equal to 0. Now see, 2 into 1 cubed means 1, 2 into 1 means 2, minus 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Now therefore minus 1 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Therefore a plus b is equal to 1. A plus b is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Then what is the result? Therefore a plus b is equal to 1. A plus b is equal to 1. Already here is put x is equal to 0. What is value? B is equal to 0. The b substituting equation 1. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Therefore from 1 b is equal to 0. Therefore a plus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore a is equal to 1. This is b is equal to 0, a is equal to 1. B is equal to 0, a is equal to 1. B is equal to 0, a is equal to 1. See, b is equal to 0, a is equal to 1. Dividing the polynomials. Dividing the polynomials. First of all, we have discussed the constants. Dividing the polynomials, we discussed the first of all constants. What is the constant? For example, see, divided 26 by 3. Divided 26 by 3. Divided 26 by 3. Therefore, division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? Already well known to you. Therefore, dividend is equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. This is the fundamental of division algorithm. Now this is, now you take, say, what is dividend? Dividend means 26. First of all, you go to the long division method. Therefore 3 into 26, what is 3 8 are 24. What is remaining? 2. Remaining 2. Now this, therefore dividend 26 is equal to divisor 3 into divisor 3 into coefficient 8 plus remainder 2. Therefore dividend 26, divisor 3, coefficient 8 plus remainder 2. So one more example, see, therefore divided 26 by 2. 26 by 2. What is C? Therefore 13. That means 13. Here means C. Therefore 2 into 26. Therefore 2 13s 26 remainder 0. Now here is C. Therefore dividend is equal to 26 is equal to divisor 2 into 13 plus 0. 2 into 13 plus 0. Now this is like that. This is C. See, at the same time, the 2 is the factor of 26. 2 is the factor of 26. Therefore 2 is the factor of 26. See, now go to the, observe the some more example. Now see, dividing polynomials. See, observe the more examples. Divide the polynomials. What is, see, divide the polynomial 3x cubed plus x square plus x by monomial. This is trinomial. This is a trinomial. Say at the same time x is monomial. Therefore trinomial divided by monomial. This is cubic polynomial divided by the monomial. Now see, observe, therefore 3x cubed plus x square plus x divided by x. Now see, divided the individually. That means therefore 3x cubed by x plus therefore x square by x plus x by x. Now see, the here is x cubed, here is x. That means cancellation. That means see, therefore 3x square plus x cancel, remaining x plus x by 1. This is now. Therefore the cubic polynomial divided by the monomial. Now this is like. One more example, see, second, therefore 2x square plus x. Now see, See, 2x square plus x plus 1 divided by x divided by x. See, this means therefore 2x square plus x plus 1 divided by x divided by x. Now see, do individual right, therefore 2x square divided by x plus, this means x by x plus 1 by x, 1 by x. Now what is the remaining? See, x square divided by x means x, therefore that means 2x plus 1 x by x minus 1 plus 1 by x. This is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Why? Because here is the denominator is variable. The denominator variable converted into numerator. Therefore, x inverse. Therefore, minus 1 non-negative integer. The power of the variable non-negative integer, that is called polynomial. Here is x power minus 1. That means minus negative. Okay, the negative. For example, see, what is converted into this? Therefore 2x plus 1 plus x inverse. This is not a polynomial. Why? Because therefore the degree of the monomial, the degree of the variable is negative. That because therefore this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. What is the condition of the polynomial? The degree of the variable is always non-negative. Then that is called polynomial. Otherwise, not polynomial. Go to 3. What is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 divided by x. Therefore, divide the individual. Therefore, 3x square by x minus 5x by x plus 2 by x. Therefore, x square by x means x, 3x minus x get cancelled, 5 plus 2 by x. This is also not polynomial. Just before you discussed. Therefore, here is x is denominator portion. The denominator portion into numerator. Therefore, the power of the variable is negative. The power of the variable negative. See once I will write. Therefore, 3x minus 5 plus 2 into x power 1. 2 into x power minus 1. 2 into x power minus 1. The polynomial is always, the polynomial have always, the degree of the variable is non-negative. Degree of the variable is non-negative. Here is negative. This is not a polynomial. Like that. So, more example. Do this. Go to the. See, do this. Divide the 3y cubed plus 2y square plus y. Therefore, divided. Therefore, 3y cubed plus 2y square plus y. Therefore, divided by 3y cubed plus 2y square plus y divided by y and write the division. This is like write the division. Therefore, what is do individually? Therefore 3y cubed by y separately expand from, therefore plus 2y square by y plus y by y. That means remove the cancellation the y. Therefore 3y cubed by y means y square. That means y square plus y square by y means y. 2y plus y by y means 1. This is the quadratic polynomial. 3y square plus 2y plus 1 is quadratic polynomial. Go to second. Therefore, divided 4p square plus 2p plus 2 by 2p. Therefore, 4p square plus 2p plus 2 by divided by 2p. Now see, divided by separately. Therefore, 4p square by 2p plus 2p divided by 2p plus 2 by 2p. Therefore, cancel the p square by p means p. Therefore, 2 1s to 2 2s. Therefore, 2p plus 2p by 2p means 1 plus 2 by 2p means 2 get cancelled. Therefore, 1 by p. Now see, therefore 2p plus 1 plus p inverse. This is not a polynomial. Why? Because the degree of the variable is non-negative. Here is negative. This is not a polynomial, like that. So, this is a polynomial. 4p square plus 2p plus 2 divided by p. Therefore, do individually by 2p. Therefore, 4p square by 2p plus 2p by 2p plus 2 by 2p. Therefore, pp get cancelled. In the numerator and denominator, p cancel. at the same constant. 2 ones, 2 twos. Okay, 2p by 2p means 1. Therefore, 2 get cancelled 1 by p. The p is denominator portion changes to numerator. That means the power will be changed. Therefore, p power minus 1. This is not a polynomial. See, this is right. Go to another example. See, now discuss the Remender's theorem. Remender's theorem. See, what is the statement of the Remender's theorem? See, let P be any polynomial. Let P be any polynomial. P is polynomial with x. P is polynomial with x is called P of x. P of x. Let P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than 1. Degree greater than or equal to 1. Degree greater than or equal to 1. This is mean degree greater than or equal to 1. Therefore, and let A be any real number. A be any real number. A be any real number means A belongs to A be any real number. Real number. Therefore, if P of x is divided by a linear polynomial, P of x divided by a linear polynomial. What is P of x divided by linear polynomial? Therefore, P of x divided by linear polynomial x minus a. Then the remainder is P of a. The remainder is P of a. Now we have discussed the Remender's theorem. This is the statement of the Remender's theorem. Statement of the Remender's theorem. Therefore, let one more. I read one more. Therefore, let P be any polynomial. P be any polynomial means P is polynomial with x. That is called P of x of degree greater than or equal to 1. And let A be any real number. A be any real number. Therefore, if P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, therefore then remainder is P of a. Remainder is P of a. Now, see, let us take. Let P be any polynomial with degree greater than 1 or equal to. Therefore, let P of x be any polynomial with the degree greater than or equal to greater than with the degree greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1. That means, see, now suppose that when P of x is divided by a linear polynomial g of x is equal to x minus a. G of x is equal to x minus a. Therefore, coefficient is equal to q of x. At the same time, remainder r of x. Remainder r of x. Now, P of x and G of x are two polynomials. P of x and G of x are two polynomials. P of x and G of x. P of x and G of x are two polynomials. P of x and G of x are two polynomials. Two polynomials such that the degree of P of x the degree of P of x greater than or equal to degree of G of x. And now, and g of x not equal to 0. This is very important here. Then we can find the polynomial p of x and r of x. Then we can find Then we can find polynomials. Then you can the polynomial q of x and r of x, q of x and r of x, q of x and r of x. Therefore, such that where therefore r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x less than degree of g of x, degree of g of x, degree of g of x, g of x. Now see by division algorithm, therefore p of x is equal to, therefore p of x is when the polynomial of with x is equal to, therefore g of x into q of x plus r of x plus r of x. Therefore dividend is equal to divised into quotient plus remainder. That means therefore p of x is equal to, what is the g of x? Therefore x minus a into q of x plus r of x, q of x plus r of x, where g is equal to x minus a, g is equal to x minus a, g is equal to, here g is equal to x minus a. See, g of x is equal to x minus a. Now since the degree of x minus 1 is the degree of, therefore x minus a is equal to 1. Why? Because this is variable, a is constant, x is variable, therefore the degree of the variable is here is 1. Therefore the degree of the linear polynomial, therefore x power 1, that means degree of 1, the x power 1. What is the degree of the x? 1. That is the degree of the x minus a is equal to 1. Therefore, and the degree of the r of x less than degree of the x minus a. Now the degree of r of x less than degree of x minus a. See, here is the sense, therefore the degree of r of x, degree of r of x less than degree of x minus a, that implies, see, therefore r of x is a constant, r of x is a constant. R of x is a constant, r of x is a constant. Say r of x is, therefore say, therefore r of x is equal to k, r of x is equal to k. See, r of x is equal to k. See, it means, see, therefore the degree of x minus a 1, at the same time degree of r of x less than degree of x minus a. Compare r of x, therefore x minus a, the degree of, compare degree r of x is less than degree of r x minus a, degree of x minus a. Now see, for every real number, for every real number, every real number or real values, real value, therefore of a real value of x. Now therefore r of x is equal to k, r of x is equal to k. The remainder is always constant, that means, see, since therefore p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus r of x. That means therefore p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus k. plus k. Now see, if x is equal to a, 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 then P of a is equal to a minus a into q of x plus k. That means 0 multiple 0 into anything is 0, therefore 0 plus k, that means k, that means k. Now this is hence proved, that means k. Therefore x is equal to a. X is equal to a means, what is meaning of x is equal to a? Now see, that means x minus a is equal to 0. This means therefore x minus a, x is equal to a, then p of a is equal to p of a, x replace of a, the x replace of a, p of a is equal to a minus a into q of x, q of a, sorry, q of a plus k. Therefore a minus a is 0, 0 into anything is 0, 0 plus k is equal to k. Therefore hence proved. This is the remainder theorem. Now see, overall, see, this is the overall view, the remainder theorem, like this. Dividing polynomials. Now for example, see, take, they were divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1. Now see, by what is, therefore x plus 1, 3x square plus x minus 1. Now x minus 1. See, first of all, divide 3x square by x. First of all, divide 3x square by x. That means 3x. That means 3x. Therefore, sorry, 3x. That means 3x. This is the first term in the quotient. First term quotient. First term coefficient. First term coefficient. Now see, next the multiply therefore x plus 1 into 3x, x plus 1 into 3x, that means see, therefore x into 3x means 3x square plus 3x into 1 3x, 3x into 1 3x. Now see, this is 3x, here is 3x. What is now, therefore 3x square plus 3x square plus 3x. See, what next step, what is the next step? See, by subtraction, therefore x square, 3x square plus 3x square plus 3x from 3x square x, from 3x square plus x plus x. Now we get, what is we get? See, we get therefore minus, here is minus 1 get cancelled, plus x minus 3x, that means minus 2x, minus 2x. Just we get, here we get, what is we get? Therefore minus 2x, minus 2x, minus 2x. Next, third, again divide minus 2x by x, that means minus 2, minus 2. This is, it is the second term coefficient, second term coefficient. Therefore 2 is second term coefficient, 2 is second term coefficient. Again multiply therefore x plus 1 into minus 2, that means minus 2x minus 2, minus 2x minus 2. They have already minus 1 is there, therefore see, minus 2. The minus 2 into x plus 1, that means minus 2x minus 2. Minus 2x minus 2. Subtract. Now next subtract. Therefore subtracting it from minus 2x minus 1. Minus 2x minus 1. What is minus 2x minus 1? Therefore the plus minus 2x plus 2x cancel. Therefore minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 means plus 1. This is remainder. Now we get here, we get therefore plus 1 plus 1. See, plus 1. Last and final C. Hence here is, therefore 1 is remainder. Therefore x plus 1 is divisor. Therefore 3x minus 2 is coefficient. This is divided by 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. Divide 3x square plus x minus 1 divide by x plus 1. This is, therefore quadratic polynomial by binomial.